The AirPods Pro 3 charging case sometimes emits random beeps due to software glitches, hardware faults, or low battery alerts. The beeping can occur from software glitches, hardware faults, or low battery alerts. To stop the beeping, first ensure your AirPods Pro 3 are updated to the latest firmware version, currently 7A306 or later, released in June 2025. You can update them through your connected iPhone or iPad. If beeping persists, try a factory reset via iTunes. A double beep often indicates low battery below 10%. In iOS 19, released September 2025, you can use the diagnostic mode through Settings, AirPods, About, Run Diagnostics to check for hardware faults and error codes like Beep ER101. If errors appear, contact Apple support for assistance or potential hardware replacement, especially if the device is under warranty. If software updates and resets don't solve the random beeping, consider hardware issues. Check the charging pins for corrosion or dust and clean them carefully with isopropyl alcohol. Keep your AirPods Pro 3 case away from humid environments to prevent moisture damage. Low battery levels can also trigger false beeps, so ensure the case is adequately charged. As of late 2025, Apple acknowledges this issue as a non-critical bug and is addressing it in firmware updates. Future AirPods models may integrate haptic feedback instead of audible alerts to minimize such interruptions. Regular maintenance and staying updated with the latest firmware are key to preventing random beeping. For more in-depth troubleshooting, consult Apple's official support documentation or user communities like Reddit's r/AirPods.